start. All of you collectively deserve appreciation for this spirit of mutual understanding and accommodation. The House had in bracket 39 debates on legislative proposals and issues of public importance through calling attention notices, short duration discussions, and one half an hour discussion. I am happy to note that most of these debates were of good quality, with all the sides effectively presenting their views and perspectives, which are now a matter of record for prosperity. As an illustration, I find it in order to refer to a former Chief Election Commissioner of the Election Commission of India writing a detailed article in The Hindu on electoral reforms entirely based on the debate in this house on the subject. After a long time, this house witnessed narrowing of divergence in terms of bills passed by both the houses of parliament during this session. At the start of this session, I have invited the attention of all of you to the need for our parliament to function in a spirit of synergy between the two houses. I am glad this has happened so quickly during this session. During this session, this house has passed 32 bills as against 36 by the other house. Para, with this august house turning more productive and purposeful, the negative coverage in the media has almost vanished. I am glad to notice, and so are you, the detailed reporting by the media about the bills introduced and passed this time around. I compliment all forms of media for their constructive support. Honorable members, I now like to present the facts about the turnaround and the new normal that has been realized during this session in terms of legislative output. With the passage of 32 bills during these 35 sittings, this session is the best in the last 17 years, accounting for 52 sessions. 35 bills were passed during the 197th session in 2002. The best performance in this regard in the last 41 years since 1978, for which session-wide data is available, was 37 bills passed during the 131 session in 1984. This session is also the fifth best in this regard in the last 41 years. The turnaround during this session also comes out clearly when viewed against the passage of a total of only 33 bills during the last 5 sessions in bracket 244th to 248th bracket close, but together. Stop.